Aloha, Stephanie Dutcher here, bringing you everything you need to know about Kamaole Sands. Kamaole Sands, also known as Kam Sands, is located in South Maui, directly across the street from Kamaole Beach Park III. Kam Sands was built in 1983. It's comprised of 440 total units across 10 four-story buildings that sits on 15 beautiful acres. The units at Kam Sands are set up as 1 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, or 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom units. Majority of the 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom units are located on the 4th floor of all of the buildings, and they are lofted. The bedroom that is upstairs in the loft is open to the living space down below. Widely debated amongst all the owners on if they like it or if they don't. A lot of people have chosen to actually build out a true wall on the upstairs and even put shutters that go across from the top of the wall to the ceiling to make the second bedroom feel more private, but some have not. And it adds to the charm of the 2 bedroom units. The 2 bedroom units, because they are lofted on the 4th floor, they have huge tall ceilings, which is fabulous. It makes everything feel super light and airy. The 3 bedroom units are scattered across some of the buildings. Many of them are on the edges on some of the buildings. And then there are some 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom units that are not on the 4th floor. So they give you a proper 2 bedrooms with doors that close. The design at Kam Sands is set up where each person has their own private front door entrance. Now, in order to do this, they had to stagger the units. And when they staggered the units, that meant that some of the units had shorter lanais, whereas others had longer lanais. Kam Sands has stunning grounds. They have fountains towards the front. They have walkways that go through the middle courtyard area. It is completely mature and beautiful. And at night, the uplighting from all of the units and around the surrounding landscape in the courtyard area is beautiful. Kam Sands has 1 large gated pool area. And in that pool area, they also have a kiddie wading pool. They have 2 hot tubs. And then attached to the pool area, they have a big workout facility as well. And it is air conditioned. Now in that little activity center that's connected to the pool, along with the air conditioned exercise center, there's a whole space that has a ping pong table, it has a little library reading nook, it's got Connect 4 and foosball, so it's a great space for the family and kids. You're just gonna wanna hang out at the pool almost all day while you're here at Kam Sands. In 2025, Kam Sands had all of their cast iron pipes replaced and all of their roofs replaced. So now the buildings at Kam Sands feel like they are brand new. And you as an owner or as someone who's contemplating purchasing a property at Kam Sands, it is one less thing for you to have to think about and worry about that might be coming up as future maintenance for the buildings. Everything's been done. All you have to do is find the unit you like and start renting it out and making some income. Kamaole Beach Park III is directly across the street from Kam Sands, walking distance from your unit. Kam 3 is great. They have a playground for the kids. They've got a grassy space, which during the weekend, you're gonna see some of the local people come out and do those big blow up castles that the kids can play around and add a hose and water, the whole shebang. Kam 3 also has really good boogie boarding when there's a south swell here and fantastic snorkeling all year long. If you go north on Kam 3, you're gonna run into Kam 2 and Kam 1, which are 2 other great beach parks, walking distance from your unit. If you go south of Kam 3, you're gonna run into Kihei boat ramp, and you're also gonna then, if you keep going south, run into Ke'awakaku Beach, which is another stunning beach, great for frolicking, swimming, snorkeling, stand-up paddle boarding, or even just walking. It's a really nice long beach that will connect you down into Wailea. Kam Sands is a 10-minute walk to Hawaiian Moons, an organic grocery store here in South Kihei. You're also walking distance to all of South Kihei's restaurants and shops. You're a 10-minute drive to the shops at Wailea that has a lot of restaurant and shopping options. You're a 30-minute drive to the airport. Kam Sands is a central location and it is super convenient, world-class amenities, world-class beaches. It is just hard to go wrong here at Kam Sands. It is a place that you and your guests are going to enjoy returning to year over year, making Kam Sands a fantastic investment. Now enough talking. I am so excited to show you Kam Sands. Let's go take a look. you're interested in purchasing at Kam Sands, give me a call. I've also included a link down below that goes to my website, which houses even more information for you regarding Kam Sands, including a building map, the listings that are currently on the market for sale. Now I'm signing off for now. Stephanie Dutcher, your resource for anything related to Kam Sands and Maui real estate. Don't be a stranger. Give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Aloha.